Are you feeling stiff, sluggish, or just in need of a quick pick-me-up? Let's shake off that morning fog and wake up every muscle in your body. You're here, and that's really a win. Let's make these 5 minutes the perfect start to your day. Whether you've been stuck in bed or at your desk too much, this flow will get you moving and feeling alive. No equipment is needed. Just you, your mat, and a mindset ready to rise. You can do this in your bedroom, living room, or even outside to soak in the morning energy. We'll flow through a standing forward fold to stretch your hamstrings, wide stance toe touches to wake up your back, and a few other dynamic moves to activate your hips, legs, and shoulders. By the end, you'll feel flexible, energized, and unstoppable. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with a simple yet powerful move to gently wake up your legs and spine. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you fold forward at the hips. Let your head hang heavy and your arms dangle. Feel the stretch run through your hamstrings and lower back. Gently sway side to side if it feels good. This stretch decompresses your spine and stretches out your hamstrings, giving your body that first boost of relaxation and mobility. By the end, you'll feel lighter and more open. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced, keep your legs straight and place your hands flat on the floor. Let's deepen that stretch and wake up your entire back body with some dynamic toe touches. Time to bring some movement into the mix. Let's stretch your back and hamstrings while energizing your whole body. Step your feet wide apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you reach your right hand towards your left toe. Alternate sides, moving slowly and smoothly like a windmill. This dynamic stretch boosts circulation, improves flexibility, and energizes your body from head to toe. By the end, your back and legs will feel alive and awake. Beginners, reach for your shin instead of your toe. Advanced, try to keep your legs straight and deepen the twist for an extra challenge. Your back and legs are awake. Now let's ground ourselves and stretch those inner thighs with a butterfly stretch. Let's transition to the mat and show some love to those hips. This stretch is all about releasing tension and finding your flow. Sit on the mat and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with your hands and gently press your knees toward the floor with your elbows. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold forward slightly, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs and hips. This stretch opens your hips, loosens your inner thighs, and gives your lower back a gentle release. By the end, you'll feel grounded and refreshed. Sit on a cushion to elevate your hips if it feels too intense. If you're advanced, fold deeper, bringing your chest closer to your feet. Feeling more open? Well, let's wake up those hips and shoulders with a dynamic deep squat rotation. Now let's combine strength and flexibility with this energizing stretch. Come into a deep squat with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and toes pointing outward. Place your right hand on the mat and twist your torso to lift your left arm toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Alternate. This move activates your hips, stretches your spine, and strengthens your legs. It's a perfect combination of mobility and stability to start your day strong. Beginners can use a block or chair for support under their hips. Advanced stretches can hold the twist longer and deepen the stretch by rotating your chest upward. Now that your hips and spine feel alive, let's finish with a calming overhead stretch to reset your shoulders and arms. Let's finish with a classic stretch to release tension in your arms and shoulders. Raise your right arm overhead, bend your elbow and bring your hand towards your upper back. Use your left hand to gently press your right elbow, deepening the stretch. Switch sides after 30 seconds. The stretch opens up your shoulders and triceps, releasing any lingering tension and improving upper body mobility. I promise by the end, you feel tall, strong, and relaxed. Beginners can keep the stretch light and focus on the breath. Advanced stretchers lean slightly to the opposite side for a deeper stretch along your side body. Fam, you've crushed it. You've stretched out your hips, opened up your shoulders, and energized your entire body. You've already won the day just by showing up. That is fantastic. If you find yourself sitting all day, I've got a special gift waiting for you in the description. It's a freebie designed to take your flexibility to the next level. Trust me, go check it out and you will love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.